Alright, just got back from work and I got a package. So this is kind of going to be maybe a two-in-one video. I might just do two separate videos, but for now, I'll unbox this first. So this video, I'll explain in a second, but let's see the contents first. Alright. And see a Louboutin Paris box. Let's see. Gonna put that to the side. See a red dust bag. And then you see the shoes. They are used, and that is what this video is going to be about. So here's the shoes. They're pretty nice. They have a couple things on them, but I mean, oh well. They're good for what I need them for. And I'll be showing you guys how to restore the red bottom. So yeah. And hopefully you guys can see these shoes clearly enough from there. But I'll get back to you guys in a second, and I'll probably just get right into, you know, doing the bottom. So all right, so we're going to start. I don't know really where to start. So this is what the bottoms look like, and they're rubbed off. With Louboutins, literally you wear them one time and you'll get a big patch like this. And to remedy that, you buy Walk On Red. You can also buy see-through rubber soles, which will protect this, which I also may do. If I do, that's in another video because I didn't order it yet. But for now, we'll start here. So start with something to sand this area down, and something to drink if you're thirsty. Put one to the side. blow dries to warm up the surface a little and dry that a bit, and then just wipe off any, you know, extra little dust that may have been on there. This brush I got on Amazon, as well as the Walk-On Red. I'll post the links in the description as well. So, with the Walk-On Red, I was told that you apply it in very light coats. Oh yeah, you can already see that the paint is really thick. My technique is terrible. I haven't painted a shoe or restored a shoe in many years, so it's quite a bit of paint. Oops. Alright, so that's the bottom. It's not perfect, and I didn't use the finish thing at the bottom because I most likely will grab the rubber covers for this, and then I'll make another video if I do that. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna clean in between the spikes and then call it that, and that'll be the end of this video or this section. Depending on how long it is, I'll probably just make the second part of this video like as one as opposed to a separate video. So I guess it's either thanks for watching or I'll see you in the next clip.